Hey, I am Debbie Bird, and today we are at a very exclusive Tuscan style estate in Weatherford, Texas, going up for auction starting next week. So we're going to take a full tour of this 10-acre property. It's got the main house has 5 bedrooms. There's a guest house. There's 3 barns with horse stalls. There's a full arena and a vineyard. So I cannot wait to show you this home. Let's go see it. You're going to see right off the bat this amazing courtyard with pool, waterfall, basically anything that you could want. All right, as we enter this side of the house, there is, right off of here, a 3-car garage. This, of course, goes to an outside parking area as well. We've got tons of closets, but really everything in this home is so custom. Here, we've got dining room, or informal living room, with wine storage off to the side. Perfect for your evening drinks by the pool. And then here we have the main living area with these amazing vaulted ceilings. Stone fireplace, tons of built-ins. And then over here, we have a huge kitchen. And then, of course, a great big breakfast area. Right here we have this gorgeous kitchen, pantry, double oven, all high-end appliances, gas range. Half bath. Beautiful office. And we'll pass through the laundry room. Here we have a beautiful primary suite with, again, the vaulted ceiling. Very open bathroom with the walk-in tub, shower, and then a great big closet. All right, we'll walk back through the living room and get over to the upstairs. Okay, upstairs we have the first little apartment area. So everything here is like set up for a ton of privacy. Yes, this one has its own living room, its own kitchenette, its own bathroom, and its own bedroom, and that can be closed with its own private porch. You've been to Italy, but it reminds me of Italy with even the tiles and the finish outs. Well, maybe not this, but the tile, the balcony, it all feels very much like an apartment in Italy. All right, here we have a second bedroom with a bathroom. our third bedroom upstairs with its own bathroom as well. Okay, let's go back downstairs. We're going to go over to the guest house across from the pool. Here we have a small guest house apartment. There is a little desk area here. I would probably set this up as a living room if it were mine, but it's a great place to have meetings or a dinner too. Kitchen, full bathroom, and then we have bedroom here with an additional door out to the pool. Right here, there's also an additional kind of laundry room, mud room, just in case you need it. Okay, now we're going to take a walk around the property. Of course, I said that this is a little over 10 acres. There is an arena, there's barns, there's places for horses, there's stalls. We're going to go take a look around and so you can see what all there is to offer on this property. All right, so we've got this pen here, right up here. I don't know if you can see up on the hill, but there is a vineyard area right here. And then we've got an arena right here. We won't walk right all the way out through here, but you can see that there's some more horse stalls right over here and a gazebo. We've got a little garage in here inside of the barn. There's 3 stalls, we've got a sink. I don't know, the closet is locked right now, but let's go upstairs and see what's happening. Well, I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but I can imagine it would be the most fun playroom ever. The dreamiest place possible for a kid. right, and here we have the third barn. One of the cool things about this property is that, yes, it's 10 acres, it's got 3 barns, it's got a vineyard, it's got a beautiful house with a guest house, all of these things. And you would think that it's very out in the country, but really we are 10 minutes from all the hottest amenities in Fort Worth, Aledo, and Weatherford. Kind of the pocket that we're in is 10 minutes from any kind of major grocery store, entertainment, any of that kind of stuff. So it really kind of blends both worlds, you know, the really country life, equestrian facility, but also you're really close to big city amenities. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour. Again, some of the highlights that I didn't mention throughout the tour, it's a little over 5,800 square feet in the main house. This home is in the Bluff Ridge subdivision of Weatherford. There are a handful of properties in this subdivision. There is an HOA. It is gated. It is about $1,000 a year, so it's a pretty minimal HOA. The property has 2 private wells. It was built in 2005, and again, it's going up for auction April 3rd. And if you would like to bid on this property, you can contact me directly, but you can call me for more details. And I would love to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.